Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Yandiva ngoku?
Yebo.
Oh, okay, unjani?
Yaphila unjani kuwe? Okay. Sharp.
So ke ngusisi wam bendicela ubuza man. Ubana ngaba kusenokwenzeka if let's say for umzekelo ne you know, just as a matter of it's a thought.
Yeah.
And it's not a complete thought, you understand? But THOUGHT, not THOT, ne?
Yes.
Like also cinga wena, like mina bendicinga ne, but bendifuna uyazi ba wena like when but ukhona la so singabantu uyakwazi ba mhlambi ukhona la sorry ngibani igama lakho sisona
Tom Kayise
khona lantu ba ukhona uNtom Kayise wasemsebenzini ne then kubekho uNtom Kayise waphi wasekuhlaleni you understand then kubekho uNtom Kayise waphi
semjolweni
you understand wasendlini masithi wasendlini andilithandi igama lenantsika
ekuhlaleni akho sendlini
ekuhlaleni kaloku community
okay, sure.
You understand endlini andilithandi igama lomjolo lini labo bomdakasholo obuthile but masithi mhlambi wasendlini right then ke ngoku it's like ndikhumula ngisenkonzweni so kwenziwa a children's story apho kwakuthethwa ngoJohn uJohn wothuka utishara wakhe xa efika kulo John because uJohn a student and ugodi so umama kaJohn wafika elila because uJohn yena kukho uJohn wasesikolweni no John wasendlini right so yena nje xa sobucinga wena ne it's like undawoni apha eMzantsi use Gauteng wase Eastern Cape
Gauteng
oh zawundiva ke because kuthiwa ucinga mhlambe eGauteng xa useGauteng umuntu understand xa usithi ucinga kunahana yabo so wena xa sonahana
yes
ne
yes
but ndifuna unahane as undixelele ba ngomphi lo Ntom Kayise unahana as yena
okay kwasemsebenzini I tell you that for free
xa kutheni xa usemsebenzini
ewe
okay xa usekuhlaleni
ngokayise wasekuhlaleni
okay ndifuna ke mina kungincedise uba ucinge njengokayise wasekuhlaleni
okay
bona le ngxaki nayo you understand ethi need airtime for inantsika but the understand man ndiyenda yifumana i-invoice ethi overdue no angikhange ndibhatale no so ndifuna undivele njengontoni njengommelwane ungakwazi undinceda mhlawumbi ngolo hlobo ucinge ngolo hlobo because I'm sure nawe wakhe washota mhlawumbi entweni
kaloku
gcwaliselwe intoni ngummelwane
okay but ndiyakuva ne and uyavakala
no suba nenyoka ndiyakubona ba ingathi uzawuza nento endosepolisi suba nenyoka suba nepythons
okay buti into endingakubalisela yona yokuba your business yam le
because uzabalisa wena because manizokwazi ubalisa because anayo airtime ye-show
your business yam le therefore into ne-account
ndasekhaya sukhumsha sukuthi account mhlawumbi iboss yakho imamele
ndithetha nawe nje mna bhuti andazi noba wena uya-owa yayiva
sukhumsa
andazi noba wena uyatyala
okay khandiqofela iqhosha ke mntase
okay
angaboni lo muntu umphathi wakho
ezukayise wasekuhlaleni zokucofela
enkosi kusikelele vam mntasekhaya
ngaphinde yenze le yenza
kaloku usuba
bye bye
angaxelwa nguwe kaloku uba mandiziphathe njani
okay ufuna ucofelwa ngubani lo play button
wena busowutshilo and zarecord esikolo busowutshilo uzandicofela so ke suyicofa ke nono impipos yakho uba uzocofa
I'm quitting this job. Enough is enough, son. Hi guys, welcome back to the Bling Line.
Yeah, yintoni idyuti ngexhosa. Yeah, wakhe wayenza la. That's right. Ndicinga uba enye itopic yangenye imini uba wakhe wayenza into yomshikashika.
Never again. I'm not cut out for umshikashika. I know that about myself for sure. Ibhipini zenza ntoni xa nisenza imishikashika?
Hambe straight emnyango alaqazi mebruli yabo.
First thing enzoyenza kulaqaza. Never. Oh my gosh, no. Mishikashika is not my mom. Bafanele ngumuntu omishikashika wena.
Uyathanda ukuthi no man, Christianity kanti uligwala, you are just scared. It's got nothing to do with Christianity. Ifiye but askola welcome to it.
Welcome back to the Bling Line. Don't listen too much to into your mishikashika. This is a show for you, by you, where we read all your comments. Well, not all of them, but we read a lot of your comments and we comment on them.
100%. Shout out, guys. Thank you so much for keeping it going, keeping it flowing like a water. So, I think for the sake of time and everything that is involved, let's jump straight into it.
But before we do that, make sure that you have subscribed, you like, and you comment. Or else uzasibona ungasiboni.
Exactly. And I think a big part of what enables us to come to you on a weekly basis, twice a week. Tuesdays on Spotify, Thursdays on Spotify, Fridays on YouTube, Sundays on YouTube, is because you guys will click that button and you will share with others and you will also hit the notification. So
keep it going.
Absolutely.
We appreciate you.
Shout out.
Without further ado, let's hit it.
That's okay.
So this was episode 118. We were talking about we were playing a game asking each other questions. Yeah. And one of the questions was, which absolute truth do you think other people don't agree with?
Sure. Then yayilanda inside job nendoni.
Yes.
Okay.
Uthi uPrince Mzizi, because when you seek happiness in someone else, loving them becomes conditional. Ooh. Couldn't have said it better.
Woo, Prince.
End of story, Prince.
Why? Tell it now. Waqala ngale comment phone email bafone uyivale ngala comment so drop ibomb egqibeleni City love each other's poem.
No, for sure, because I was saying by happiness, is not found in other people, it's found in yourself. So Prince uyavuma ba xa happiness yakho ifunyanwa komnye umuntu, it means it's conditional, because when that person does something that you don't like,
ipheli happiness.
Yeah, ipheli happiness.
Fair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well done, Prince.
No, 100%. Shout out to you.
Set the bar real high.
As for no one, I cannot deal with people who can't say sorry. I haven't spoken. I haven't spoken to my cousin in 6 years because she can't say sorry to me. I don't even plan on forgiving her without receiving an apology. That pass in my books too. My mom says I need to forgive because judgment is for God, but sana ingulu indo awandenza yona, I cannot.
And I won't judge you, head. My chat is
tough, man.
If when they indo enkulu, as she says, the thing that was done to her was big. If when they indo enkulu emntwini, awuzazi ba uyenzile.
Yazazi. Sometimes yazazi, sometimes awuzazi. Because into enkulu kuwe
incinci kum,
inconsequential kum, can be. You understand? Ndikhubekisile ngendlela embi. But if you were to do the exact same thing to me, I wouldn't be bothered. So that puts the duty on you. Umkhutshwa bamakaze kumkhubekisi kumkhubi athi undikhubile. What's going on? Yes.
My chat is fine. Let's say you do that. You go to the person and you're like, listen, bro, you upset me. Umntu ebesithi
Urongo lo.
And I think half of the time that's what we don't want, which is why we don't say anything, because you don't want your hurt to be minimized.
Yeah, but you must take a risk. Lahle dies. Lahle dies. Because also, into yongamxoleli umuntu oqhubeka 6 years.
You're carrying it with
Ayimandanga. Let's also talk about the fact that ayimandanga.
Yeah.
Awufuni umcapukela cousin wakho. Awufuni uba upsetted. You don't want to be angry and you don't want to feel those negative feelings every time you think about the person. You don't.
And you're carrying it because you're now wamba free.
Uyabethelwa nangu Oh, uyabethelwa ngu but naye uyantyumpa-ntyumpeka kula ndawo kuyo. Cha yena mhlawumbe if wayethethile, oh, it could be an oversight, but also sometimes it's ego, right? You tell a person and the person is just like, nah, bro. Because ego yabo, and they're telling them because when in their eyes they can't do no wrong, so you overreacted. No. Well, it's a delicate dance that two people need to dance that thing.
For sure. Which brings me to the question that have you forgiven this person or une grudge? Because it sounds like une grudge.
I don't even plan on forgiving her.
Oh. So you're
without
carrying.
Getting an apology.
So you've been carrying for 6 years. You've been carrying this negativity. And what is that doing to you?
Look,
so
mate,
fine, we're not saying you have to forgive that person, but you gotta let it go somehow.
Yeah, but letting it go is forgiving the person. Because the phone I said, Kazi, Utwena, Kazi. Letting go is forgiveness.
Yeah, letting go is forgiveness.
Letting go is forgiveness.
Yeah, you're right. I'll send you any babes.
Wow, this is more.
There's more going.
Look, I mean, we know what the Christian thing to do is, but
you know, a lot of the times.
I know this is a very challenging one for me. Extremely.
I feel like a lot of the time the Christian thing to do is allowing other people
to get away with it.
Yes. That's the Christian thing to do. Because abazojajwa nguwe, bazojajwa nguThixo. But come on, dog. And then, so fine. Let's say you let it go, right? And then this person, akphinde. So what? Then you must keep letting it go.
Okay.
Because that person hasn't learned any lesson from their bad behavior.
It's fine. Question from my side is, who are you letting it go for? For them?
No, for you. Over and over.
You're letting it go for you. You're doing your yes, net win. So would you not help yourself over and over?
Yeah, I suppose.
That for me is where the tower meets the road. When you start to understand when you start to understand the poison abani. Drinking poison and expecting someone else to die. No, you're the one who's dying. So when you're forgiving this person without, I hate what I'm saying. Yo, yeah.
Hectic. Think about the stuff we've said. And instead of thinking about them, think about yourself.
Sure.
Yeah. Because I want to teach him a lesson. I want him to not ever treat me like this again. Yeah. But that person is none the wiser. So they're learning no lessons. They're doing nothing.
Exactly.
They're just living their lives. The views expressed on this show by the individuals are not the views expressed by the channel. No, definitely not. Okay. Uthi becoming ubu. I think many of us struggle to find pride in ourselves because of the language that was used around us. I remember one time when I praised myself and I was told it made me less humble. Humility was packaged as silent pride, where you have to wait for someone else to praise you. The ripple effect is that we end up feeling inadequate, we overwork, we feel unfulfilled because we are waiting for that pride to be handed to us. Give me a 0. proudly proud of me. Love you, bye. Oh, we are proud of you too. Because you're right. I mean, we did have a chat about this, and we were going, people don't want you to say good things about yourself.
Yeah.
Because then they say, you're not, humility yako ayiko. But then who must? And I love what this person says about the ripple effect being you feel inadequate, you do too much, you overwork, and you feel unfulfilled because ulinde omnye umntu akuxelele uba you're doing well.
Look, I Jonga, if these first 3 comments are anything to go by, it's Yaka like the show. I love that, and I think it's something that we mentioned in the show as well, to say a lot of words have been, meaning Yazo has been changed by people who, and this is the whole gag, right? For me, like the whole gag is like it's been changed by people who felt like, oh, I was fageli pressure lomdo perform. So therefore, how do I dim your light? I want to pride because I'm sitting and funny as big brother yako, because when you're doing all these amazing things coming from the same background that I come from, when we are shy now, and now people are looking at me and the underperformer. So how do I stop myself from having to perform? And
yeah.
Watch how man that was. You understand? And I think a lot of it comes from that.
You're right.
It's like a conversation that I will have sometimes, like with people, and I'll be like, you know that a person that's doing better than you when it comes to a specific thing, right? Whether if we call it making money, a person who's got more money than you. If it comes to running, a person that can run quicker than me. If we're talking about anything, a person that can do something better than you. Note, I'm not saying a person that is better, right? I'm just saying, take it when you focus on a specific thing, doing better, and a specific thing will never tell you.
What?
Ba, ebona pride kile we show ayo ngoku kosixelela wena ba uqhube marathon ngexesha team. Will never tell you ba hey proud lendo ba you are not humble when you're telling us ba last deal yakho wenze 2.3 billion.
No.
They won't.
No.
It's always the people that are doing
lesser than. Yeah. True. Yeah, true. Which I don't get at all. But I've seen it many times.
Yes. Yeah. It's people feeling under pressure sometimes.
Does that make them feel better about themselves though? Pulling someone down, does it make you feel better about yourself? No, it can't. It might make you feel, but it doesn't make you feel better about yourself.
It makes you feel more comfortable.
More comfortable.
Yeah. Which makes you feel better.
Boring.
Yeah, very boring. Labora lights. Nsiker Kuba Uti, I'm so guilty of not telling people if they have done me wrong. Because I feel like, Aibo, the situation was obvious. Why do I have to remind you? I believe I am responsible for my own happiness. So if umdu enga realize naye ukuti they did me wrong, I move on. I think I got tired of being the bigger person, the fixer, being the one who always initiate the difficult conversations. Abantu abazijonge nabo esipilini, sad face.
Bana banazo nezipili, you know.
Umuntu uzijonga uzibuka kwi-CD. Khono kudala hambe ufuqa phansi nalesi. And people are afraid of mirrors, eh? People are afraid of mirrors.
Oh, it's the scariest thing ever though, also.
And people who are afraid of mirrors, but they don't have maybe a lot of close friends. There's
always a new best friend.
Because one thing that definitely becomes a mirror to you, even though you didn't enter into it for a mirror, is a partner. A boy partner. Oh, wow. Basisipili. SAB. Uxabana nje ne-cherry yakho kanye out yakho okoko. It's because they are here. So it becomes very tricky. Look, and I think this comment for me, iyafuna indo yoba city refer back to what we said earlier, ukuthi you are being the bigger person
for yourself, not for them.
Absolutely. And now the question comes, ukuthi, do you not want to be the bigger person for yourself? That answer is clear, and everyone will give an emphatic yes.
Yes.
Of course I want to be.
Yes. Then do it.
That's who you're being the bigger person for.
Exactly. Because we think we're being the bigger people for the transgressors.
Yes.
Which is not the case.
Yes.
Because you're trying to maintain a sense of peace in your life.
Yes.
You're not trying to fix into
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, look, I mean, yeah, hate it because Nyandi, what you're saying here is, who are you doing it for? You are doing it for you. You are the biggest benefactor. Nguwe. So, okay, when you are moving on from an opportunity to become a bigger person for yourself.
And that's all she wrote, folks.
Neighbor.
Uthi uzama Chwama.
What's up, Zama?
Oh, hey, Zama. Apologizing doesn't always mean that you are wrong. It also means that you value your relationship more than your ego.
Absolutely, because sometimes I may be right, but I hurt your feelings.
Yeah.
I hurt your feelings.
Sometimes I apologize even when I'm not wrong because I see harm that can be done by Lonto to our relationship. Also because umenzi uyalibala, umenziwa akalibali. And na diyalibala ingala shem. Accepting an apology I'll never get. Sorry. I will Zams. Zams umesamba. But it's short left.
But the ego naleyo, yes?
Yeah, for sure. But I'll tell you, when you do me wrong so you can fix it, if still we are kubekeka truly means awunaxesha relationship. Fair. Awunoqhubekeka funa ndikuxelele uba khayeke le nto uyenzayo ayindiphathi kakuhle uphinde uyenze.
Awungqhela kakubi ngesixhosa siphandle. But even having said that, you still need to accept apology ongasazuyifumana.
I think it's in the word accept that doesn't sit well with
you
me.
You can't accept
because what are you
that
accepting?
you're not given.
Yes, what are you accepting? You, as we said previously,
are dead to me. You're sorry, yeah?
As we said previously, you need to choose peace for yourself. So you're not accepting an apology. And yes, the way you relate to that person might be different going forward because but you gotta let it go. Not because they've given you an apology, but because you're letting go of the negativity that you're carrying with you.
Which also then means letting go of the relationship.
Sometimes, yes.
Sure.
Most of the time, yes, actually.
Yeah. But I also like that. I also like the piece of, let me also give you the opportunity to rectify.
And if I'll funike.
Yeah. Let me also give you the opportunity to rectify. Because I think, as we've rightfully said, some of the times you because if you did the exact same thing to me,
I wouldn't care. Yeah. But I'm not you.
Correct. But then it's hard for me to think like I'm you if I'm not you. And also if you won't tell me how you feel.
Yeah.
And also because sometimes you won't tell a person because you're just like, too many things.
Yeah, but into petty, you change your relationship, change your attitude towards the relationship.
Yeah.
And then what?
Yeah. But that first line, apologizing doesn't always mean that you're wrong.
100%. I could have hurt your feelings. Did right?
Yeah.
I'm right, but I hurt your feelings.
Indoda Zama, indoda. How indoda? Yo, I la commenda asana lam.
No, well done. That was a good one.
Sharp. No sipo. Spakes. Uti, I'm a people pleaser. I struggle to tell you you've wronged me. I would rather keep the peace and keep it moving. Yona izamdihlupa, but ndizote ndibe right shame. Ndi good in saying sorry and ukuxolela abantu when they ask for forgiveness. I'm trying though to not be like that person, but it's difficult because okondinje. I'm 33 years, so it's late or nah.
There's nothing.
Never late.
Yeah, there's nothing that it's ever late.
Yeah, it's never late.
When you say you're trying to change, though, to be not that person, which person are you trying to be?
The non-people pleasing person. The person then, I assume, who doesn't struggle to tell people that they've wronged her. The person that would rather speak up for the sake of peace and to keep it moving.
It's not late, but it's difficult. It's going to be difficult.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Yeah.
But it's never late for so long as you can put a comment on the wall. And so for so long as you can think about, this is who I am. This is how it benefits me. This is how it disadvantages me. And that decision is there. And that thinking is there. Never too late.
Yeah.
It's never too late to grow. Never too late to become better. It's never too late to try and rectify a path that we can see is not the path that we would like to go in.
Sure. And we're constantly evolving, which is why it's never too late.
Yeah, ufonine no selithana 33.
Wow, my baby.
Yo, sana la miyaqomba uthanda ukushaya 10 years. Yeah. Sorry.
And I'm constantly changing.
Woka wawuzalwa uthanda wayekhwela iteksi endathu ayokwenza igrocery for pha endlini. Because that's how old she was. Ephethe into yakhe Discom ngapha.
Ellerin.
Kodwa ifuna igrocery akazi umntwana ephethe yase Ellerin.
Ukufika window shop phela
befika apha endlini afika athi sisuka uyamazi Ellerin ngimncinci mose mandithi mina athi no Ellerins. Akuphileke sazike.
Where is your
Dilile kuphuma umama athi nika umntana andinike andijamele because she hates me because Ellerins ka.
And what's this got to do with Nosipho?
I'm just saying, but 10 years is a long time. That's what I'm trying to say. Can you think about how much you've changed over the past 10 years?
Yes, definitely.
Do you think it's a lot?
Yes.
Ne? 10 years is like now when I sit and think back, I'm just like, wow, 10 years is a mighty long time.
Yeah. And the changes in the way I process, in the way I think, in the way I reason. So it's not necessarily changes or bonwang about.
Yes, correct.
But there's just like certain decisions I wouldn't make anymore.
Sure.
There's certain things that I've changed my mind about completely, fundamental things. And so that's all change, you know?
Yeah,
and if you're not changing, bro, come on.
Hey, you're not progressing, you are?
Sitting still.
Regressing, my darling.
Oh, my darling.
Thanks for that, Nosipho. Definitely never too late.
What's your mommy? As a hugger, I've never really thought about asking people to hug them before I do it because it comes naturally, but after the episode, I'll start doing it because maybe there's been a lot of people that I've been making uncomfortable with being such an affectionate person. And also me being a hugger is a weird thing because I don't come from a household where people hug. So, and I also realized I do it when I'm not home and it stops when I'm home because I know that's not their thing. But now with the strangers, you don't know if that's their thing, but yet you continue in the same fashion.
Usinyanzela ngehugs. Ningesigonene nawe abanye ke ngoku abafuni abanye ba confused ngoku they think you like them. Yabona uyaplitwa ngapha akhona ingenzekiwe le nto hugs.
And that's the whole chat. I think that was the whole thing. It was that we only like as someone who's a hugger, you only think of yourself.
Yeah.
And not the other
As someone
people.
who's a hugger, non-hugger, whatever, you only think of yourself.
For sure. But it's more invasive being a hugger than not being a hugger. Do you know what I mean?
But now, how would you feel? You're not a hugger, ne?
I love hugs.
But you're not a hugger.
I wouldn't say I'm a hugger.
Because I'll hug abanye abantu.
And hug wongumdu.
Correct. So, do you think you'd be able to answer the question from a hacker, right? Dibana ne hacker. Awuyazi noyazi le hacker. Probably chances are you probably wouldn't want to hack them, right? Hakungakwenza uncomfortable. Iti le hacker. Oh, pleased to meet you. Oh, can I give you a hug?
Oh, not right now, please. Thanks.
Oh, why?
It just makes me uncomfortable.
Like, what about it makes you uncomfortable?
Hugging people I don't know.
Because
it's a personal space thing.
Oh,
and
okay,
if I got to know you a little bit more, I'd probably hug you.
Okay, perfect. Oh, I like that. Now I have to work. Okay, I'm from PE. What years? I've got 2 sisters. Okay, fair. And I love that, and I love that you're so articulate. The point that I was trying to make is that a lot of times we don't know what
to say. Why we don't want it.
Yes. We don't know why we don't want certain things. And as a result, CSC either give in to it or ibe interaction wrong when we are nansikat with it. So I think also a very good place to go is to think, why am I a hugger? Why am I not a hugger? Do you know what I mean? So that it can be a nice conversation in the event. It can be a less awkward conversation.
Yeah, and like if you're a hugger, people aren't asking you why you're a hugger. So you asking people why they don't want to hug you is also a little weird.
Correct. But maybe sometimes someone who is curious enough might ask you.
Yeah, sure.
But I can't balsele ngalentos hugs itini. You understand? And when you're just like, I don't know.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
Nice to know.
Because of a lot of time that we don't know.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it's always nice to know. So whether on either side, I think definitely is something that would be really cool, you know, in terms of us getting to know. I like the part where you're like, and how you switch it on and off when you get home. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, I mean, who we are is very much formed by the decisions that we make off of our upbringing and our homes of origin. So that's very interesting.
And as Uprazuko said earlier,
Antifa.
Ungubani mamiza estratweni, ungubani kowenu.
Thank you for that, Mamisa. Shout out. And one of Mamisa can see day ones. And Baba, bye happy. Oh, Mamisa. Yo, Mamisa, I am Simi.
Oh, Simi, yes.
My toe. Gasi.
Yes.
Hey, niskas.
Gas fell off, huh?
Kani thini nisapha abanye ithuba. Lubabalo ngesi, is me. Uthi sorry ngophuma ecaleni. To the blingers, am I the only one who screen grabs some of the parts I find funny or motivating to my WhatsApp status to find people resharing? Then dithi kubo, hamba uyibukele full episode on YouTube and react there. Abanye babuze ndibaze laphi ndibe ndingazange ndababona kwabona ophopho. Ophopho sentsho.
Ophopho sit.
Yes, popo.
That's super sweet, and I'm sure you're not the only one. But I think it's cute that you say, "Hamba no bukela, sanu comment about WhatsApp."
Love that. Yeah, I love that. Because abantu bazabe bebuza wena ba shout out for that, Lupa. We really, really appreciate it, man. Thanks so much. And I think that's part of what allows us to do what we do.
For sure.
Is people sharing and people jumping on and people being right there. I hope we are follow or subscribed yonke londo leyo. But you have a massive shout out. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Luba. Uthi uloa.
Ulwa. Badlal.
To LWA.
I apologize.
Why are you laughing? You can't apologize and then burst out laughing. That's not a real thing.
Okay, guys, that was a perfect example of how not to apologize.
Yes. Happy birthday to you, Sis Tally. Thank you. We share a birthday. Happy birthday, girl. This season always leaves me deeply reflective, filled with gratitude and being close to Easter, realigning with God's purpose for me. It can feel lonely ngoba andinabani, but I still show up for my little ones, even when all I want is to retreat and process quietly. That's all I ever want. I'm also challenging myself to make this day special in ways that feel true to me.
Oh, love that.
What a beautiful show as per usual. That I love you at the end cut deep. Yeah, that I love you at the end did cut deep, didn't it?
Manini banqabile I love you phakathi kwethu. Is it strange?
I don't think so. You know, I think love is a verb.
Andiva, don't tell me you love me.
Show me.
Show me.
Yes. Don't tell me you miss me. Zontata Vondini.
Yeah, Eva. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you.
Come get me,
Shy
bro.
around.
Shy around.
Yes.
So I don't think so. I don't think... I don't think that the less you say I love you, the less you love someone.
Fair.
Not at all.
Fair.
No.
Also, I suppose, also depending on how they see it.
Also,
what's their love language? How do they receive love? Yeah, okay. Like that. But shout out to you, Loa Fetu, for showing up, for challenging yourself.
I
love that. I love that part. I'm challenging myself to make this special. That's beautiful. Because by virtue of you saying challenge, the word challenge means certain degree of difficulty, a certain friction that you will experience. And I think doing that for yourself in ways that feel true to me, that speaks to me so much, man, because I was just numb. I was in a conversation during the week and I was just like, I'm starting to realize now, but this thing is not true to me. It's true to what people want and people expect, but not true to me, because I was being asked, what's your favorite? I don't remember what my favorite, what the question was, but what's your favorite what? But I was like, hey, you know what? One thing about me, I don't have a lot of favorites. And then we got into a whole discussion about that. And I just realized, hey, Fondin, that's just also a certain level of not being true to myself. Not knowing, what's my favorite? No.
One makes me tick.
Yeah. So love that challenge. And I hope it goes super well. Shout out.
What's your Smilo Mkalipi? Is it your turn? On accepting the apology that you never received, ne? Shame me.
Way!
Angingeni because
Hey, ingxaki man. Hey. Siyazi bet is for woman going as accept as apology.
of course.
As understand baziyasitya.
Because why am I forgiving someone who never apologized? I think Mina, I'm a person who will hold a grudge forever. This doesn't need cancer.
Nagam. Do you know how true that is?
Yeah. For example, I fought with my aunt and she said and did some stuff. Until today, I don't talk to her, especially because after the incident, she acted like nothing happened and the whole family moved on like nothing happened, which is something she always does. So I'm guessing she never apologizes because she knows that she can act like nothing happened. God, I'd rather they say I have an ugly heart and go, but as long as she doesn't apologize, we shall remain strangers. Also, I don't mind apologizing when I'm wrong because I know that if I was in the other person's shoes, I would want an apology so that we can move on. Mina, I won't accept an apology that I never got. Yes, I'll move on. Godwa, I will hold that grudge. That's not moving on.
At all. You're in the same place. You'll sit in the same place.
Yeah.
And those feelings will be evoked and they'll just become worse every time you encounter umagas, or you encounter something and it just destroys you, man.
And things like grudges and holding on to bad stuff makes you sick.
It makes you sick.
Physically sick. Ungazazi ba hayibo. Yintoni? Kuthani ndane into ethile? It's because you're holding on to bad feelings.
Absolutely.
And I don't think enough is spoken about this, but I've heard so much of it lately. Yoba, onini into eqhubekayo kuwe apha in your brain, it manifests in your body, and a grudge is not a good thing to hold in your brain.
Yeah, bro. Because your body also stores those things.
It does store those
your
things.
Your body stores those things. Your body remembers those things, and it is izindo. It's literally like poison, mate. So nyane ezinye izinto ziya-avoid izigini break out ngenye ixesha. Not disease like Talita saying, like actual diseases, bro. So asizameni, man. I think let's really take ourselves and put ourselves on a much higher position in our lives, where we really look at what does it look like to do something for myself. Because bayeke banye ezinye barriers. Because
ulcers. It's bad thoughts. It's carrying bad things for long periods of time. They do manifest. They don't just stay in your brain. I mean, your brain is so connected to your body. And so it's like completely connected to your body. So if you're putting something bad in there, it's obviously going to affect the things that it's connected to.
Yeah, actually. Don't know from Tunyong Bantan. How you better namhlanje straight? How you better straight and Goba? Goba. Fikile Mlangeni uthi sanibonani bodlamini. What's good? I enjoyed the show. I have started to be so intentional about things. I am also doing my best to be kind to my family first. Thank you for teaching me so much in a short space of time. You get me thinking after every episode. You make me better to myself and others. Makwande lani tate kona.
Thank you. I really like this message because it was just like which is really nice. And they have now come with actions as well.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of the time we don't think about being nice to our families.
Yeah, I mean,
it's just, you guys are there, bro.
Yeah, sure.
You'll always be there. How can I show up in this moment?
Sure.
So that's really dope. Well done, Fikile. I hope it continues. And I know for a fact it'll be good for you as well.
100%. Thank you so much. Shout out for that. Kwande naguwe man. Siswam. Or budwam. Or mduwetu.
Vemwetu. Hlombekazi Higa says, umdundu ligwinya lihlohlo esishebo. Ngai means, ngai chicken liver, gravy etapile. If ihlohlwe isishebo, kumdundu lo.
Okay.
We had that word and we didn't know what it meant.
Umdundu?
Yes.
Means.
Did we?
I've seen that somewhere.
Not in these comments because everyone is commenting about it.
I think says that's
why everyone was explaining to us what it was. Because we had no context for what this person was talking about.
I think when I told me. Yes. Sorry.
Thank you for your explanation, Hlombekazi. Bawula umdundu ngoku.
So fisa thenga la midundu mincinci yasebulisa. Le uthi saluma ubese uyinkwanyele yonke lonto le. Damn. Asanda coming through. My girl Asanda coming through with the threats. Which my comment better be on Bling Line. Kunini yo into zama.
Asanda, come on, bro.
I'm on, you too young for bana maswa. Yazi maswa into yomntu abantu abadala.
40 plus at least.
60 plus. Oh no, you for the young. Ube na maswa.
Do you know
where's
long
your
life
life gonna go, bro?
Exactly.
Please go back to school, Zuko, if you have a chance.
Oh, quite chance.
Yes. Fair.
Aphelile ke amashwa akho.
Wa le song anize kumnonke le song. Fair. No, fair.
Aphelele amashwa akho namhlanje. Here you are on Bling Line. Asandam Timde.
When I got 3 days ago, siyobona.
Uphinde ke nangomso.
Next we have
Ulinda Skosana. Uthi sana lam andinyibiliki timla.
Hey Machita. Hey, siyazibulala bafethu.
Omnye hurt my feelings. Wadlula like khange kwenzeke into. Wathi esathi chomi I miss you. Dathi ntombi masiqale kuleya ukuphula inhliziyo yam. Ndithi ndamxelela ndazicacisa. Waske wandiblutika usisi. Yakuphela kwe friendship ke kum endenzwe njalo kaloku. Andanzwa njalo kaloku. Fair. I mean, if you explain to someone what happened after they've ignored or everything and they still ignore you, is that even a friendship?
I wonder usikhosana ngathini ke ngoba lo weblue ticks mhlawumbe is 6 months angabuye sithi yo mjana. Ade.
Akazonyibilika uchila lo kanyibiliki tu.
Look, it's a tough conversation, guys. Because kwanalo mntu okuhetileyo, should you then come to them usithi, you know, now ungqela kakubi undihetile no kanye funeka ukuthi ke sosithi yo mjana, you know what, bra, really like inkubekisile into ethile.
There's a difference there.
Yeah, there's a difference there.
Yeah, because I'm not going to be offensive if you say it like that.
Yeah, absolutely. And also, Machita, let's also try and be careful about this whole WhatsApp thing. Because the way you write it and the way I read it sometimes, they can be a thing there that ngakwinto efanana echinchayo apho, and we might not be hearing each other with the same tone. So that also might be a contributing factor. Yeah.
Send a voice note.
Hate this episode because I'm talking to myself. Wow, I'm struggling too.
Okay, Linda, babe. I have nothing else for you.
Samkele Shange uti, yo guys, thank you for this episode. This whole forgiveness thing is actually a lot more complex than we often discuss. Fair. Agreeably, I think it is possible to accept the situation. However, I reckon it's irresponsible for me to just resume life as though there was no offense or grievance. Of course, I'm not talking about light, petty stuff. But I mean, if a sibling steals from me, I could accept and move on that they stole. But how can I proceed with life as though this new nature is revealed to me? For me to accept a sorry, details such as, did you self-report or did I catch you? Stuff like that matters. Right?
Sorry, because you got caught.
I think yes. I think sometimes we are too quick to shame someone who people
hold a grudge against, I guess. Look, when you know what? The shaming the shaming we're putting on people who hold grudges is not for the people you have a grudge against. It's for
them. Yeah.
It is for
you know, you're not a bad person in life. Yeah, you're a bad person to yourself. That's what we care about. It's you. Skathalele wena. More than anything else. And I think it's just shedding light on the fact that I don't think we know the full effect it has on us as the people who hold grudges. Nam does fuck and is copy at all.
And says maybe
so
for things that hurt us.
Hey, tricky le conversation, but it depends. Uzixelile okanye ubanji. Hey, yes, I'm good show.
But also, if someone says sorry for into njalo, you can forgive them, but they can only prove that they're sorry by not doing it again.
The biggest apology, the biggest form of apology is changed behavior.
Speaking the same language, yeah.
Yeah, Samke.
Thanks, Samke.
Berries. 2575.
Hallelujah. I wish there was more communication ekhaya. Kuthethwe nam ndixelelwe ngezinto ezenzekayo. Because this resulted in me being reserved.
Sure.
I never talk to anyone about the things I go through or things I do because you don't know how to. Because I would not practice njengangoku ndandithenga imoto, nobody knew. Even when I got a new job, I don't feel like not because you could but because I don't see significance in talking about that. When I was in high school, I once told my mom that I'm one of the top 5 students who were picked to go to a career expo in Pretoria from the Eastern Cape. She's a flight and all of that. Angie says, I was so excited about this. She just said, "Uzodinga malini." I felt so bummed.
Yeah. Tricky one. Look, Berries, mine on that is do what you wish could be done.
To you, yeah.
Now I wish there was more communication ekai. Communicator more ekai. And also I think, sure, and your communication also came in the form of you saying top 5 expo, what.
And that could be the thing that broke her spirit, that one thing.
Absolutely.
And then going forward, she went, and this was Bali says in Yizindo. Because when Bali said, I've got a new job, because I thought,
100%. And in saying that as well is you tend to sometimes, or I tend to find sometimes, I feel just as bad, if not worse, Instead, what I've learned to do is I've learned to kind of with certain situations be like, and I'm indifferent to because that's how I want to communicate with her. Sometimes it lands. Sometimes it completely doesn't land. Sometimes it doesn't land.
But
for the times that it does land, I'm so grateful that I did do something or say something. So sometimes, Nyana, I think, and also realizing, guys, hey, a lot of these things that we experience in Makaya, trauma is passed down.
Absolutely.
Trauma is passed down, where umzali ukhule kungekho mali kokwabo, and now they work their whole life to have money, and now a lot of things revolve around money. That person is hurt. That person is broken somewhere. And I think a lot of the time, what we maybe need to try and do is to look at ourselves, obviously, first and foremost. And then number 2, also, nabanye bantu. And I guess the more you look at yourself, the more you understand where your shortcomings are, where you're broken, and all of those kinds of things, the more nomnye umuntu responda ngendlela ethile, you're able to be like, shame. And then you actually start feeling a little bit sorry for them.
Yeah, for sure.
Instead of because you're just like, shame. And about 10. And it changes the perspective a little bit. Yes, it's not giving them the right to plead on you, even though you didn't cut them. But it also, to what we've been saying the whole episode, makes your experience better.
For sure.
It makes your experience better, and that's what we are ultimately after.
And I think Operis is literally stuck in 2 worlds where she says, I wish this would happen, but I don't do it.
Yeah.
Because my experience of doing it hasn't been positive.
Yes.
While you still wish it could happen, you can still do it.
Absolutely.
And yes, if it doesn't land in the way that you want it to land, that's okay also. Because as Uzuko said, there are times where it does land and you feel amazing about it landing. But you're not going to change your world and the people around you just by doing the things that you want and hoping that
I know.
But you are now practicing for yourself and maybe for your future kids as well.
Absolutely.
Because you could possibly be that mom that behaves this way as well, the same way your mom treated you.
Because of practice.
And you're
going to go into default mode.
Exactly. So uzoyazi what to do when you have kids here. Uzoyazi how to be expressive and communicative if you've never practiced it.
Yeah. But get well done on ikunqas ke sisi. Nice. Small van. No kuskwelisi. Thank you for that. Zianda S. Uti, I am a Xhosa based in Washington, D.C. And this podcast keeps me so connected to my Xhosaness. Vocab and vibe, Yongalendo.
Yes, we international vibe.
Love to see it. Thank you so much for that, Zianda. We hope everything is going all right there.
Ubuye sisi xa ubona mangathi Trump.
Yayiva. But ke okwalo mzuzu ke sentsho.
So Jordan. So Jordan.
Sentsho iDollar ingali strong.
Oh.
Do with that information as you will.
Yeah, Klafondin. All right, this is our final one. Ayanda Sabi Makola, aka Detective. Firstly, Happy birthday, Beyonce. May God continue to bless you and keep you for many more, Siswe Country. Sikuthanda la nto ingenakoma na
Andiva.
full stop as he blinks zalapha ekhaya.
Tanakabe.
Nkosi. Secondly, so looking forward to having Mama on the podcast, man. Ndehlezi Nkosi. Mama chom, Mama wethu. Did we say that?
Thirdly, as a hugger who is also an ambivert,
I always check for personal space and comfort levels before I lean in. Instead of the hug being in the intro, it'll be part of the outro.
Oh.
Say petere kwalona.
Yeah.
Once we've done the intros and the small talk, it will be, are you comfortable with me being in your personal space? Because I would really like to hug you. Of which...
How no we are the phone sana.
Of which, no, it's still an okay answer because it's a
Perfect. I like that. Creating such a soft landing for that.
Yeah.
For yourself and for the person as well.
Yes, exactly.
I think it's very much a thoughtful thing of ucingela wonke umuntu. Because now ufuna ukuchaywa uvula ngayo, but naye umuntu abantu naye uyamcingela ngoba you ease into it. I think that's beautiful.
Fantastic.
Shoutouts.
Thanks, Ayanda. Thanks, guys. All the contributors of today's episode. Siyabonga.
Yeah.
Keep it coming. We'll see you guys again next week. Nisixelele banicinga ntoni ngala episode izayo.
Sibamba ngazo thunzi. No.
I don't know.
What?
Wow, whichever. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Bling Line.